Hey guys, it's Nathan here. This is a tornado warning. It's happened a lot of times. I've seen EA's pictures from May 20, but it's the TV. I'm not lying. That's us. I'm not going to show my location, but Illinois. That sucks. Good thing we got McDonald's. McDonald's gives us good luck. No tornadoes every time we get McDonald's. And we did that. We got McDonald's. Every time there's a tornadic activity day with storms, McDonald's gives us good luck. I got a double cheeseburger with a big, large Sprite. As you can see, it's out the camera. It's like to the left of that computer. Alright. I'm in my basement because, it's tornado warning. You gotta go in the basement. And my mom, or my mother, and my brother, and my dogs are outside. I don't know why this is a tornado warning. My mom is outside picking up her little plants and putting them inside so they don't get sucked up by the wind in case there's a tornado. I mean, there's a lot of strong wind today. Strong. But November 10, 2020 tornado warning. Bye.